Hi there and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. It's the heart of winter. The breeze is predominantly the west-southwest, not conducive to foilboarding. So hopefully we're going to get a bit of a skateboard in if the breeze comes to plan. Let's sheet on and get into it, shall we? The skateboard park was also an opportunity for me to try out the new Darchi 270-degree awning. I have full coverage both from the rear and also the side, and that makes it awesome. It was so nice to feel the breeze through my fingertips as I rolled on forward. Well, that's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, that'd be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.